So using this Youcanic video scope is very easy. Just go to your home screen, on your Youcanic scanner, select video scope, and just like that we are connected. And here you can control your flashlight. So if I hit this, I will get more light. There are 3 settings for brightness, and then with this button you can do screenshots. See, I hit the button and my photo is saved. So very interesting device. If you already have Youcanic scanner or you are planning to get some scanner, if you get Youcanic, you can get their native video scope, and then you can check, for example, like me, your engine internals or some other places that are hard to see. Definitely very useful extension to this Youcanic scanner. And then you can also record videos. So when you are checking something, you can record these videos. Let's hit save. So now it is saved in storage, but I'm not sure if we can access this on our scanner or we will have to connect to laptop. Okay, perfect. So you can check this even directly on your scanner. So these are the photos I made before. So you don't even have to connect it to your laptop. You can just check this out directly on your Youcanic scanner. However, I do not see videos, so maybe for videos you will have to connect to laptop. Let's try other apps or files. Possibly could be here. Movies. No. Oh wait, here is USB camera. Videos. Okay, perfect. So you can check these videos directly on your scanner. You don't need laptop at all. There is not much testing I can do with this tool, but definitely very useful. And for the price, I really recommend to get it. So if you want to buy only endoscope, or you don't have scanner and you want scanner as well, I also have separate review for this scanner. It will be linked in description, also with link to buy.